Photo Callouts can add the clarity a client needs to understand all of the elements in your design. You can use them for plants, site elements, concept graphics, or just on the fly with a drag and drop file. Let's go through the options. The most used option is calling out a photo of a plant. The easiest method for this is to choose Photo Callout from the Plant Label drop-down in the FX Planting ribbon. After selecting your plant, a window will open with an internet search of the botanical name. Find the right image for you, click it, and choose View Image. Now you can edit the caption, choose a shadow or not, and place it on your layout space. If you'd like to use your own library of photos, you can. Choose Local instead. Your photo needs to be saved on a mapped letter drive, like the C drive, or a mapped network letter drive. I called out a ground cover plant here. Hatches like this will be called out with a dot leader instead of an arrow. Designs aren't always just plants though. You can use the local photo feature for site furniture or hardscapes too, from the FX Site ribbon. If you want to place a photo without an arrow, hit Enter instead of clicking for the leader and you'll skip past it. You can also set these up ahead of time by using Edit Ref Note. You might just be at the concept design stage or even inventory and analysis. You can use the photo callouts here too and keep all of your information together to better inform the future design. Lastly, maybe you want to add any old photo with a caption and want it to follow your office standard style and take advantage of LandFX's scale tools. Drag and drop an image from your File Explorer into FXCAD. The caption is automatically the image name, but you can easily change that. You've got a lot of options when it comes to showing off your design with LandFX. Try using Photo Callouts on your next design to quickly add another dimension of information.